That is not how it works. Just because you are a creator with millions of followers and you can pay, that doesn't mean you can get access to Cannes. Hi, I'm Bhavika. I run a PR agency and I have worked with multiple creators who have been to the Cannes Film Festival. And if you think the process is easy, you are definitely wrong. I think by now everybody knows that there is a fee involved to go to the Cannes Film Festival, but that doesn't mean that money alone will get you in. When it comes to finalizing the creators, there are actually multiple things that they look for. For example, your background, your content, the brands that you have worked with, and most important, the kind of audience you speak to. So even if someone has like millions of followers, but their positioning is not getting aligned with what Cannes is looking for, they will not get selected. There's actually a multi-stage process that goes behind finalizing all of the content creators, and not only in India, but also in France. And the final decisions depends on far more than only followers and money. Did you know they're also very intentional about representation? It's not like if there are 10 creators going from India, all of them will come from the same niche or the same space. Entrepreneurs, social impact, arts, music, dance. You must have observed it since over the past few years. There are creators across genres. That's why visibility at this level is not just only about popularity. Which is why PR and positioning matter so much in this industry. Because opportunities at this level are not built overnight. It's all about relevance, positioning, and the story that the creator represents. So if you are a creator eyeing Cannes, now you know what actually matters. Follow me for more such insights on how the industry really works from a PR perspective.